Cambridge online class. Hello, VMS students. This is your teacher Adrian. We're going to practice with Cambridge KET reading part 1. Well, let's begin. In this part, we need to match two texts. I'm going to display an example of an exam, part 1, so we can take a look of it. On the right side, we have 8 signs. A, B, C, to letter H, all of them with different information. Now, let's look at the left side. We have 5 statements, also the same, but well, each statement has different information. What we need to do is to match the statements with the signs that they have the same information. Only be careful. Maybe they look very similar as a triangle with a triangle that we need to match, yes, but they need to have the same meaning. Sometimes the statements have the same words as the signs, but they don't mean the same. So you have to pay close attention to that. Be really careful. Okay, now let's take a look at the example. The example says, you will pay less for a pair of swimming shorts here this weekend. Now, paying less refers to spend less money when you buy something, and swimming shorts is talking about sports clothes. So that's the information we need to remember. We need to keep it in mind. And it is time now to match it with the signs. Let's start with the sign A. The sign A says, Bridge swimming pool this weekend only, free entrance 2 to 6 p.m. Now, the question is it the same information? The information on the statement is similar to the one in the sign? Yes, it is. Let's say why. Because in the statement says swimming and the sign says swimming, and in the statement says weekend and in the sign says weekend. But is that the correct answer? Does it match in meaning? Well, I'm going to give you 20 seconds so you think about it, and then we come back and we check the answer.
T minus 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, do you have your answer? Is that correct? Well, let's see. It is not correct. Well, the answer to that is that because in the statement says that you are going to pay less, you are going to buy something. Where you buy things at the shops. And in this case, you are going to buy swimming shorts that are sport clothes. And the sign says only that there is a swimming pool and the entrance is free. So nothing about buying something, and there is no sport clothes for you to buy, so that is not the correct answer. Now, let's ask Pac-Man to remove that information that we don't need anymore. Now, let's take a look of the sign B. Okay, sign B says, water sports clothes shop, sailing, swimming, wine, surfing. Okay, that's the first part. The other part says summer sale begins on Saturday. Now, let's take a look of that information. The same question, is this information in the statement similar to this other? It doesn't look similar, right? But it has a swimming also. So, well, I'm going to give you 20 seconds to think in your answer. And then when the time is over, we check if the answer is correct or not. Think about it. So, you can pause the video at any time if you need more time.
T minus 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, you have your answer? Well, let's analyze it. Let's ask Pac-Man to remove that information that is extra on the screen so we don't get confused. All right, let me see. Pac-Man, please. All right, awesome. And the other two, please. There you go. Awesome. Now, it says water sports clothes shop in the sign. Well, clothes shop. Yes, we need a clothes shop because we want to buy swimming shorts. So that information matches. And swimming is a water sport. So now in the lower part of the sign says sales begin on Saturday. The sale is when you buy some things for a low price, so you pay less. Awesome, that matches. And how about the day is on Saturday, so that is on the weekend. So that also matches the information. What does that mean? That means that the information matches, yes or no? Let's see the answer. Yes, the information matches perfectly. Awesome. So those are the details you have to pay attention, guys. Well, so that's the exercise. Now you are going to do some similar exercises for you to practice. This was Teacher Adrian, and thank you so much. Just don't forget to subscribe and give a like. Awesome. See you later.